Hello, potato.
The
Hello. Hello, potato. Okay, hi, Putin. Good evening. Wait me for a while. Okay, potato, can you please read? What's the lesson?
Maputin.
Okay. Okay, look at here, potato. Please read. Unit 38, playing and working. Very good. Okay, so here, let's try to do this. Now here, please read. Mover stick. If you find,
Happy boy.
please read. If you find potato, mover's potato. Okay, please read.
Find it difficult to tell a story.
Okay. In speaking,
Speaking part two. You should look at pictures at a time and think of just to say
okay.
about what happened here. That way, it don't look so difficult.
Okay, very good. Very good. This one. So let's try to do this one. Now here, look at here, potato. Let's have this picture. Now picture, potato, look at the pictures and answer the question. Please read. Look at the pictures and answer the question. Look at number one. Here, what can you see, potato, in the picture? Can you tell me what can you see in here? Please read. What can you see?
A mother, a grandmother, and a car.
Okay, very good. Now here, number two. What's number two? What are they doing, potato?
They are watching the car. Sao mẹ? Chưa. Chưa. They are watching.
Okay. Now here, they are cleaning.
Cleaning car.
Okay, they are cleaning the car. Very good. Next, number three. What can you see here, potato? Come on, what can you see?
I can see a car. Another, a boy, uh, a house, a dog, father,
Okay.
mother, and a window, a dog.
Okay, very good. Lisa. Next here. How about number four? What is picture four? What happens in here?
The dog is, I don't know,
Okay, look at the dog. The dog is running where?
climbing on the car,
Oh,
climbing car.
All right, so the dog is running on top of the car. And look at the place. What is the weather in there, Potato? What's the weather?
What?
What is the weather? It's, look at the weather. It's,
The weather is rainy.
okay, so that it's raining. That's why the people are going inside the house as well as the dog, right? Now here, look at here, Potato. I want you to write the missing words in here. Look at this one. Let's clean the car.
Right.
Go.
I don't like.
Hold on to write. Okay, just tell me the answer. Mr. and Mrs.
R R R
Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Here, look at here. What are they doing? Want to clean their dirty car. Their children.
R. Where I want to.
Come on, their children are.
I want to. Children. I don't know.
Okay, now here, you don't know. Let's do this one. Now here, look at here. Look at here. Potato. Let's try to listen this one. All right. Here, let's try to do this. Potato, I want you to write or draw something, okay? Here we go.
38B. Playing and working. What did Alex do on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday?
Hi, Alex.
Hello. I had a great day on Wednesday.
What did you do?
My dad took me to the cinema to see a film about monkeys.
Oh, yes. I saw that film yesterday. It was fantastic.
My cousin Sally came to see me on Thursday.
What did you do with her?
We went fishing by the river on Thursday.
Did you catch any fish?
Yes, 2. Sally slept at my house that night. The next day, Friday, Mum made us a great lunch.
What was that?
Fish and chips with tomato sauce.
Is that your favourite meal?
Yes, I love it.
Okay, again, listen again, Potato. Potato, listen again.
38B. Playing and working. What did Alex do on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday?
Hi, Alex.
Hello. I had a great day on Wednesday.
What did you do?
My dad took me to the cinema to see a film about monkeys.
Oh, yes. I saw that film yesterday. It was fantastic.
My cousins.
38B.
Okay, what did they do on Friday?
Listen again.
Okay, here we go.
Playing and working. What did Alex do on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday?
Hi, Alex.
Hello. I had a great day on Wednesday.
What did you do?
My dad took me to the cinema to see a film about monkeys.
Oh, yes. I saw that film yesterday. It was fantastic.
Okay.
Don't know.
Okay, number 2.
My cousin Sally came to see me on Thursday.
What did you do with her?
We went fishing by the river on Thursday.
Did you catch any fish?
Yes, 2. Sally slept.
Okay, look at here. It's so very hard to draw. Okay, please read. Potato, Alex lives. Come on.
Alex, Alex lives with a Alex from Linear Story A. He was 41 years old. There was 11 with clothing. He saw 6 or 8.
Okay, now here next. Let's try to do this one here. Next one, potato. So in here, let's try to do an answer here. Potato, what did you do on Monday after you got up? You still remember, potato? What did you do on Monday? Yesterday. What did you do after you got up? What did you do?
Eat breakfast.
And what did you do after you got up? Did you go to the shower?
No.
Oh, what did you do?
What?
Come on, what did you do after you got up from bed?
Brush my teeth and
Brush my teeth and
eat
and how about eat your breakfast again?
breakfast.
Yes, and eat your breakfast. Now here, what did you eat and drink for breakfast today on Tuesday? Come on. Come on, what did you eat and drink for breakfast on Tuesday?
What?
What did you eat and drink for breakfast on Tuesday? This morning, what did you eat this morning? Did you eat egg? Yeah, noodles. How about noodles?
Some eating
Did you eat noodles this morning or no? Bread. What is it? What did you eat? Only egg? Rice? What else?
No, I don't eat rice.
Oh, you don't eat rice. What do you eat? Bread. Cereal. How about cereal potato? Do you eat cereals in the morning? Huh? Biscuit? Cookies? What else? Noodles?
So,
Nothing? You eat nothing? Chicken. You did not eat this morning? Oh no. Oh, you have to eat. Okay, how about here? Which 2 things did you do on Wednesday? How about on Wednesday, potato? What are the 2 things that you do on Wednesday?
I go to school.
Mm. Here, how about this one? How about this one? Potato, can you still remember where did you go last Thursday? Where did you go last Thursday? Last Thursday I... What did you do on Thursday? Did you stay at home? Did you go to school? What did you do? Or where did you go, Potato? Oh, you forgot? Okay, how about this one? Did you play computer on Friday? Yes? Yes, Potato? Oh, here. Who were you on Saturday? Wait me. Potato, do you still remember what did you do? Or no? Do you still remember the things that you do or no? Not anymore. Oh, you don't know anymore. Okay, let's move. Okay, here, Potato. Which was your best day last week? Potato.
What?
Which was your best day last week? Which was your best day last week? Best day. What day is the best? My best day was, what is it? What's your best day? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What's your best day? My best day is, what's your best day? Tuesday. Why Tuesday? Because, all right. Okay, what did you do on Tuesday? Did you play on Tuesday?
What?
What did you do? You said your best day was Tuesday. I was asking why it is your best day. What did you do on Tuesday? You said it's the best day last week. Why? Why it's the best? Because?
Did have fun.
Okay, very good. All right, now here. How about what is the weather like last Wednesday? Do you still remember the weather?
Sunday.
Okay. All right. All right. Sunday, sunny day. Now here, who did you help at home at the weekend, Potato? Do you help at home?
My family.
All right. How about mom? Do you help mom in cleaning the house? Or you help in taking care of Putin? What do you do? I helped.
My family. I have my family.
Okay, family. Okay, here, potato. When did you see your friends? When? When did you see your friends, potato? Did you see your friends a while ago? Last Sunday?
Last Sunday.
Oh, what did you do last Sunday? I. Did you play? Did you went out last Sunday? Did you go out with your friends? With your family? What did you do?
I go out with my family.
Oh, where did you go? Did you go to the park?
I go swimming.
Swimming. Wow. Okay, you went swimming. You know how to swim? Well, potato? No. But how about did you practice swimming already? Did you already practice swimming? Yes or no? No. Oh, no. You asked, how about your brother? Does your brother already know how to swim, potato? Potato. Yes. Okay, you tell your brother to help you, okay? So that you will also swim like him, okay? Now here, potato, write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. So here, potato, the answers are just found in here. You're just going to write what is the missing word to fill in numbers 1 to 5. Go, potato, you can do it. Oh. Grace works at the Children's Hospital, which is in the city center. She's a blank. What do you think is the work of Grace?
With me.
Grace is what's that? Okay, good. Number two, very good, potato. Wait, it's a message from passenger.
waiting.
Okay. Okay. Potato, wait me. Potato, you enter again to the Zoom class, okay, Potato, because this Zoom will be end, okay? Enter again and finish writing this one, okay? Wait me for a while. Wait, okay? Wait me for a while. I'll just out for a second.